What's up, guys? I have decided today I'm gonna make a tree swing for my kid. So we'll see how this goes. For reference, here's my shop. I got a big tree right there. It's gonna be on that limb, I think. What's up, buddy?
I got you.
You got me. Hey, are you ready to go to Rural King?
Yeah.
So little Maddie and I are gonna run into town. We're gonna take the blue truck and we're gonna go to Rural King and get some supplies.
What's it?
Hey, that's a safe tool for you to use. Good job. Maddie, we made it to Rural King. We gotta get some bolts.
That's it, both.
It's a grade 8.
Which way I
Bolts. Is it heavy?
Okay.
Whoa, that is fast. How fast are you gonna race? Whoa, that's pretty good. Do you like your new race seat? Pretty nice. Fits in there pretty good. It may even fit in there better without the Kirky pad. I'm back on the shop here. Let's check out my chain. It's rated for 3,100 pounds, and it says it's ideal for logging and construction. I hope it can hold my 2-year-old. So, and we got some grade 8 hardware to bolt it together. Hoping this is all overkill. All right, I've got this laid out straight, but I haven't cut it yet. I did, however, cut the board, and I think I cut it wide enough for an adult to sit on it too. I don't know, guys. I'm a flippin' tree swing rookie here. Try to say tree swing rookie really fast. Tree swing rookie. All right. It's a good tight fit. And enough length to do something with there. Obviously, we're gonna have a chain here. And for those of you watching for a little bit of a tutorial, I used 3/4 inch bolts to, just kidding. We used grade 8 3/8 bolts, 2.5 inches long. And obviously that weight is distributed by 4 of these. And make sure you guys use washers. These guys, for the big old Heims on the buggy. Obviously I'm dealing with the chain, so there are some adjustments that could be made, but I'm trying to dial this in first go. So that top piece is obviously the swing, and that's what I'm gonna go with as a rough guess on the height. It's kind of just enough room for me to sit on the swing. So I kind of mocked up the height that I want to go with in the shop here. And I'll put all this underneath this tree limb, and that'll tell me about how much chain I need. Slide ladder is out. Got a height set up, and there's that tree that Curtis and I cut down a couple years back, which I am so glad we did that. That thing was all up in our business, too close to the shop. Actually, there's some limbs on this tree that I need to clean up as well. I'm always working on trees out here, like for real. That's why the trailer is attached to the truck out there. Because a couple days ago I filled it up. Whoa, it's steep. You did it. Between the chain, the grade 8 hardware, and 42 bucks in the square body, we spent about 142 bucks. Not including the wood and the stain, which was already here. It's Maddie. I went with a very heavy duty chain, super overkill. But I'm just more into like metal and chains as opposed to roping. I don't know. It's my roots. It's how I build crap like that, is I like metal. If Maddie only uses this swing one time, oh, I will do nothing about it, but I'll be mad I wasted money. Or I'm gonna use it. If Maddie doesn't use this swing, I'm gonna use this swing. Every day. All right, we are done with that part. What I wanted to do was get the chain mocked up, temporarily bolt it to the limb, and see how long I need it to hit that. And then I put a piece of masking tape on the chain where I want to cut it. Right there. And then I can just translate that to the other chain, and I'll have to make a couple shortcuts to basically create a triangle on the board. I put something heavy on the chains, pulled them both tight, and here's the end. So I got another piece of tape on here. I'll cut this link. It'll make them the exact same length. And we'll be onto something. We just cut the chain with a cutoff wheel. And now we have two chains that are the exact same length. Just to give you guys a reference point, I went ahead with 12-inch long pieces to complete the triangle. There's probably some geometry you could do to figure out the best triangle for the situation, but I'm gonna gamble on those right there. If for some reason it doesn't work, we'll revisit it. It's not a big deal. You'll need 8 bolts total if you do this method with the chain. 4 longer ones for the wood, and 4 shorter ones to bolt the chains together. 2 for underneath the tree limb, and then 1 for each side to create the top of the triangle. We are kind of done. There it is. We'll get the wood stained, and I think I'm gonna do some tweaking with the links to get this wood to sit how I want. But it does feel pretty smooth. I did a bunch of limbing up on this tree as well. We took the swing for a run there. It felt pretty good. I had a huge mess on the ground of the limbs, and my goal was to try to not use the trailer. I succeeded. The bed is packed, but they are all in there. Empty trailer. Hey, Square Body, what's up? A little update. I did move it further away from the trunk of the tree. So that way, as my kid starts getting on this by himself, he'll have a little bit more room for air. You want to try out your new tree swing?
Yeah. It's really high.
You're going really high.
Yeah.